For 405-48W. It's a 2018 Subaru WRX. It does have a key, it does not start. You see the front fender, driver's side's no good. Front bumper's no good. Grill's no good. Hood's no good. Damage over here, fender no good. No rim, no tire. I put a battery in here, it does not start. Passenger door no good, back door no good. Driver's side quarter panel no good, driver's side back door no good. Driver's side door bent down there. The driver roof airbags deployed, the steering wheel airbags deployed, the driver knee airbags deployed, the driver and the passenger seat belts are locked. It does have a key, it does not start. No good. Seat airbag. Again, this is stock number 405-48W, the 2018 Subaru WRX. It does have the key, it does not start.